Now let's explore the Users section. Under Users menu here, select All Users. Here you could see the list of all your users for this website. Let's create a new user. Click on Add New. And this is where you could create a username for your new user. Say, let's just give it a name, Wendy Welsh. And email address of this new user. Enter their name and their website if they have any, and the password. Click Show Password, and this password is auto-generated by WordPress. You could send a notification to them to inform them about this new account via the email here, and then you could select a role. Now this page shows a better differentiation between different user roles on WordPress. An administrator, such as yourself, has all the access to all the features and options. It's like a God account, alright? Then, an editor is someone who could review and publish posts. Posts that are created by a contributor. For example, an author can write and publish only their own posts, while a contributor can write posts but they cannot publish them. So they require an editor or administrator to publish it for them. And a subscriber is someone just like a normal user who could change their profile and leave comments. Once you are done, click on Add New User. And a new user has been created. Next, let's look at the Your Profile item here. This is where you could edit your user profile and also your settings when you're logged in on this WordPress website. For instance, Visual Editor. You could disable the Visual Editor when writing. So if I check this, and when I'm writing here, I'm just gonna click Update. You see that this Visual Editor has disappeared. So you could disable this if you don't need it. But for now, it's always good to enable that. Next, you could also disable syntax highlighting when editing code. This one only applies when you are doing coding on this website. You can change the color scheme of this admin panel when you're logged in. You can change it to different colors or different theme like this or this or this and the rest. For keyboard shortcuts, you could enable shortcuts when comment moderation. So since we're not using the comment system, we're going to ignore that. And let's go down. Show toolbar when viewing site. This is the toolbar. So if you're viewing the site and you do not want to show this toolbar, you can just disable it, update, go up, or go to your website, and you don't see any toolbar over here. That's how it works. But let's just enable this. Language, set it as default. You can put in your first name, your last name, your nickname if you want to, which is your username, or your display name. You could always change your display name. If I enter my first name and last name here, my display name could change as according to my first name, last name, or my username. I could enter my website address, even my own biography here. And I could set a profile picture. To set this picture, I need to open an account at Gravatar, which I do have an account. Here's a sample of my user profile on my other website, which shows my profile picture. So how Gravatar works is that you will match the email address of your profile here with the email address on your Gravitas account, and automatically your profile picture shall appear here.